Good morning, everybody. This morning, I'm quite confident that you'll be able to do your multiplication. It's our last session, and we've had lots of live lessons on using our column method. So I'm going to do a quick video on our mini maths this morning and some strategies to help you with the mental calculation. So I'm going to share my screen and show you our example of our mini maths this morning. Right, question 1. It says, in your head, calculate the total of below, and that's mentally, so that's in your head, not using a written method. So question 1 is 7 plus 33. So the first thing I'd be doing with addition, I know to always start with my bigger number because that supports with calculating. The next thing I notice, my number 7 and my number 3 are what we call a number bond to 10. That's a known fact that equals 10. So I know that 7 add 3 is 10. So 33 plus the 7 must equal 40. So when I'm working that one out mentally, I'd use my known facts there. With question 2, 19 plus 4 plus 21. There's a couple of ways you could use your known facts to help you work this out mentally. Number 19, I know if I add one extra one, I'd get 20. Number 21, I know if I subtract 1, I'd have the number 20. So I could make this number 20 because multiples of 10 are easier to calculate with. And calculating is always better than counting because it's a quicker method. 21, I can round that down to 20. So I've almost borrowed the 1 from 21 and added it onto my 19 to make it 20. Now 20 add 20, double 20 is 40. That's a lot easier to calculate with than 19 and 21. So I know that 20 and 20 is 40, plus the 4 equals 44. Now here, 42 add 19, 2 add 9, that's a bond to 11, so it's not a commonly known one. What I might do here is adjust that one in my head to 41 and make that one 20. It's a multiple of 10, it's easy to work with. So 41 add 20. I'm going to break my 20 down mentally into a 10 and a 10 because it's easier to add 10. So 41 add 10 is 51. Add another 10 is 61. Our last question, question 4. I've got 13 add 23 add 33. I've got 3 numbers and I can see they all end in a 3. So I'm going to use something here called partitioning. I'm going to partition my numbers into their 10s and 1s and add them together mentally because I've got more numbers to deal with. I haven't got any obvious number bonds to 10. So I'm going to partition them. So I'm going to add all of my 1s first. So 3, 6, 9. So my total number of 1s is 9. Now I'm going to go back and add my 10s. So I've got 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That makes 69 in total for my answer. I hope that was helpful as a way to just refresh your ideas to help you mentally add numbers together, because it can look quite tricky and we'll get quite reliant on pen and paper methods. So when you're mentally adding, see if you can use number bonds to help you. See if you can use known facts. See if you can adjust numbers when you're calculating, or partition them, adding the 10s and adding the 1s separately. Let me know how you get on. See you later.